Hi guys, I'm Sonal and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make a recipe of a millet sushi. We are replacing the rice with millets and millets are much healthier. So this is foxtail millet. It cooks up a little sticky, just like sticky rice. We are going to soak it for a couple of hours. You might be knowing that I'm now on a low carb diet. I'm not on a keto diet. So millets are full of minerals, fiber, they have protein content. They're much healthier than rice. They seem to help with type 2 diabetes or also metabolic disease. This is the one that is completely soaked. We are going to cook it in a pressure cooker which cooks within 10 to 15 minutes. You can cook it in an open pot over the burner. I'm adding about 2.5 times as much water as the millet that we've taken. So I've taken 1/3 cup and this is 2/3 cup of water and then half of that 1/3 cup measure. Our millets are cooked. If you were to cook it in a regular pot, it would take about 25 minutes. Keep an eye on it. Maybe it cooks quicker. So I'm adding some seasoning vinegar. I've added some erythritol. You can add a little bit of sugar. I've not added any salt to the millet because we are going to dip it in soy sauce. So let's look at how I make the sushi. Here I have a seaweed. I am putting the shiny side down. Place the millet on top. The seaweed is also quite filling. It's also full of fiber and iodine. Wet your hands a bit. If your millet is cold, you can put it in the microwave, heat it a little bit. It'll get a little sticky and work easier. So once you have spread the millet all over the sushi roll, I'm using cream cheese in this just to make it a little more delicious, but you can skip that and just add the veggies. These are peeled cucumbers. I'm adding some carrots. So let me roll it up now. Roll it halfway through and pull the mat because you want a tight fitting roll. And then again, keep lifting the mat that is on top and rolling it together until it sticks. So for the next roll, I added some cream cheese to the millets itself and that makes it easier to roll, but I think it tastes better with the cream cheese on the inside. You could do both. You could add a little bit to your millets to make them a little more sticky and easy to handle, and then also add some cream cheese on the inside. I'm also going to talk about 5 variations to this, so stay tuned till the end. And look at how easy it is to spread the millet now. So here are some carrots and beetroots. I have steamed them lightly because it's a thick slice. I want these different colors to come through. And look at it, our roll is ready. We're going to slice it and then serve it with soy sauce. So cut it with a sharp knife. I have a sharp one. If you don't have a very sharp one, then you want to sharpen it and then wipe it with a wet cloth every time you're putting the cut. And look at how beautifully colorful the sushi looks. And it tasted good because my son approved, so you can imagine. So you can add other vegetables. Sometimes what I do is I just make a salad and add that to the sushi roll. A green arugula salad with some cheese, goat cheese works well. A couple of long slices of watermelon is not a lot of carbs. So it's like a watermelon feta salad. You can add any veggies of your choice. If you can find avocados, you should add those. I have those, but mine haven't ripened, so I had to skip them. You can also add crab sticks, tuna, you can add canned tuna, teriyaki chicken. You can make it with tamagoyaki, which is an omelette. So you make a roll out of an omelette and you can use that in a sushi. Smoked salmon, regular fresh salmon. You can make it with a ham and cheese salad, ham and egg and a cheese salad. So there's a lot you can do. You can add mayonnaise if you like eating that. You can add sriracha. That will take away the taste of the millet a little bit, although I don't think millet tastes bad. Sushi can be made with anything and everything. Do let me know if you try any of these, and thanks for watching. Bye.